Hello, this is LOHA Custom. Not long ago, we launched our own 3-in-1 foldable charger. Today, we decided to compare Anker's chargers, provide a guide for interested friends. Without further ado, let's get started. First, it's the comparison of the exterior designs and some specifications. In design, LOHA is warm and Anker is tougher. The workmanship of both is superb, it looks very textured. Let's start charging. Who can charge faster in the same 15 minutes? By comparison, we can see that in the same 15 minutes, Anker charges 11%, while LOHA charges 13%, so LOHA is faster. Use the same method to test the charging speed of the Apple Watch. In 10 minutes, Anker charges 6% and LOHA charges 4%, so Anker charges faster. Our test is closer to life and may not be rigorous, so it is for reference only. By weight, the LOHA is twice as light as the Anker if you choose to take it with you. The smaller size and weight of the LOHA may be the best choice. Imagine sitting at your desk using them. In terms of desktop aesthetics, I think Anker is superior. The $89 LOHA or the $149 Anker, which do you prefer?